Finding out where to stay is one of the most important part of your backpacking adventure. So if you are looking for a place to have some break from the hustle and bustle of the city, Balai Lawom is the best place to be. Balai Lawom is a newly constructed transient home for free divers. The hostel is just 2 to 3 hours away from Metro and it's located in Sitio Balitian, Barangay Bagalangit, Mabini, Batangas. The ceiling is a masterpiece, built by the meticulous hands of the local workers of Mabini, achieving total relaxation while enjoying the ocean breeze and being so close to the nature. The first floor in receiving area highlights its cafe bar. They also have open areas where beauty can be found in every corner of Balai Lawom, engaging more about our Filipino culture. Wanted to chill at night? Balai Lawom got your back. During weekends, you may enjoy the open bar with many different cocktails to choose from. This, I swear, will make the crowd go wild and crazy. During weekdays, Balai is as peaceful and as calm as the sea. You can enjoy the very peaceful surrounding while hearing waves from the ocean. No wonder this was chosen by teacher Macy to conduct their yoga training certification. EF Yoga School is originally from Bulacan and continues to create communities whose values are grounded on compassion, peace, and happiness. They offer yoga teacher training certification, beginners yoga classes, different kinds of Ashtanga classes, and yoga for students with health risks like me. EF Yoga's mission is to provide holistic, safe, and transformative yoga experience for all Filipinos that is good for the mind, body, and soul. So if you are interested to contact them, just search at EF Yoga School in Facebook and Instagram. If you are worried about what to eat, Balai Lawom will surely satisfy your cravings. They serve Australian rib-eye steak for only 695 pesos. They also serve pasta, well, actually different kinds of pasta. If you're looking for a quality good cup of coffee, our resident barista, Kuya Moy, is at your service. Here, he serves different kinds of hot and ice-cold coffee. They also serve this and this and this to satisfy your sweet tooth. Balai Lawom also serve regular burgers like this and big ones like this. Well, they actually have a variety of delicious burgers to choose from. And what's good about these burgers? They are all good for sharing. Kaya naman, dalhin mo na si partner so we can all say, sana all.
Oh, manamis.
In less than 30 minutes away from Balai Lawom, let's go ahead and visit Portales Beach.
Hello. So ayan, nasa Portales Island tayo at we're actually doing a cleanup drive. Kasama natin dito yung BJMP. Ayan sila. And tago lang natin kasi they actually don't want this to be documented kasi they're really doing things like this na hindi nila kailangan ng social media. And ito talaga yung masasabi mong taus-pusong pagtulong. Kita nyo naman, sobrang lahat sila. Mapababae, mapalalaki, basta part ng BJMP. Ayan sila. Naglilinis talaga. At sako-sako ng basura yung nakolekt nila dito. And hopefully, mabawasan natin kahit siguro kung kaya lahat, di ba? Why not? So yun, Coach Louie, nasan siya? Yun, hi, kaya pa? Kaya today.
Imagine for just 200 pesos entrance fee, you can already enjoy the powdered white sand and crystal clear water of Portales Beach. Kudos to our BJMP. These also serve as a reminder for us to practice leave no trace principle. Take only pictures and leave nothing but footprints.
Kuya Makyan, recipe! Wala ka doing eh. Wala. Sige.
Sarap. Pero mas masarap to.
Kabog.
From the ambience and salty air to the healthiest smoothies, juiciest burgers with fries and beers, this is my wonderful experience here at BALAI LAWOM. For inquiries, please contact the following. Do you want to make the most out of your weekend trip? Tara sa Balay! Sa Balay tayo! This is Mackoy Vlogs and thank you so much for watching.
Ano ba ako? Taka.